How was that for a shot?
I'll give you.
It was so-so.
I'll give you 4 out of 10.
You actually get out of here and let him go by himself so you can go higher?
No, that was it's balanced weight on both sides, so it lands leveler.
Oh, I should stiffen the suspension a bit more.
Oh, were you bottoming out?
I don't know.
It did sound like it.
Stuffed in the back.
Lawrence? Okay, I'll give you a 5 on that one. I didn't hear any.
Did you get half?
If that was screaming, then that would have been higher.
Actually, he's doing pretty good.
You're stuck. You can't go anywhere. Nah, no boogers.
I took too high of a spot. I just went where you went.
Yeah. You're supposed to get.
You can't go over this.
You said you got higher clears than I do.
No, I don't.
You got your springs down. Sure, kick Lawrence out. Tell him he's too heavy.
Josh and them are coming out in 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Give him a push.
Yeah, sideways.
Go forward, Kim.
Push him sideways. You gotta tuck him back.
Huh?
Probably need to tuck back. Poor Kenny's truck stuck. No, seriously, that's his name, Poor Kenny. Hold, Alan. You can do her. Oh, that wasn't much.